Kaugnay naman yan, makakausap natin si Ginoong Carl Ross, Public Information Officer ng Adela Cera TY Medical Center sa Surigao del Sur. Ginoong Ross, magandang tanghali po. Si Rafi Tima po ito at live po kayo sa Balitang Hali.
Okay po. Hi po, Sir Rafi.
Opo. Kumusta na po yung lagay ng mga nalaso ng durian at mangustin candy na nandyan po sa inyong ospital?
As of right now po, we do have three cases na lang po. I think the provincial governor told you kanina lang po sa unang hearing that we have 4. Actually right now po, na-discharge na po yung isa. Tapos, tatlo na lang po, they're very good right now. Wala naman pong serious na case pa.
Paano po dinidescribe ng mga na food poison dun sa kanilang naranasan? Tsaka ano yung possible na cause ng food poisoning po mismo?
As of right now, based on the investigation po, yung mga diagnosis po namin, to consider po yung Staphylococcus aureus na bacteria, yung po nagiging sanhi po ng pagkalason. Siyempre po, signs and symptoms, sumasakit yung tiyan, yung iba nagda-diarrhea, yung iba naman na nangihina, yun po, yung mga karaniwang signs and symptoms lang po.
So yung poisoning po na ganito, sa palagay po ninyo, although of course idadaan pa ito sa investigasyon, ano? Pero ganito ba sinasadya o na-contaminate lang talaga yung mga ingredients na ginamit doon sa paggawa ng candy?
Based on our pathologists, that would somehow pwede pong rason yung food handling, pag-re-repack po. Kasi sweets to, so more or less, kinoconsider po talaga as Staphylococcus aureus yung nagiging rason. So basically, more on food handling and food preparation na po ito. It would also be expired, that we cannot really confirm po.
Pero sa experience po ninyo, ngayon lang ba nangyari na ganito kalawak at kadami yung naging biktima ng food poisoning?
Ayaw po sir, grabe. Actually, nag-code blue po yung hospital. Meaning po noon, that time na tumataas po talaga yung case, lahat po ng staff ng Adela Cera were called up. Yung lahat ng off, lahat ng kagagaling na ng duty, they were all recalled. Kasi hindi po talaga namin makaya kung yung nasa present duty lang po yung mag-cater. So pag nag-code blue po, kahit po yung nasa Butuan for training, they were pulled out to augment po sa staff po ng Adela.
So, Ginoong Ross, talagang parang mass casualty na talaga itong nangyaring food poisoning?
Grabe talaga sir, grabe. Kahit na yung social hall, nagamit po namin. I think that would hold po mga 500 people. Imagine nyo lang po, more or less 500 to 600 po yung mga bata. Ita-times po natin sa mga parents at saka yung mga teachers. So talagang, ang dami po talagang pumunta sa hospital saka yung sa satellite na outpatient department po.
Nagdeklara na po ng Code White Alert outbreak sa buong Caraga. Yung manpower po ninyo, kumusta naman po at nakaka-cope pa naman? Gayong nabanggit nyo, 3 na lamang yung naka-confine sa inyo.
As of right now, naka-code white yung regional office. As a matter of fact po, nandito po yung mga National Epidemiology Surveillance Unit po ng Department of Health from Manila. At the same time, yung health promotion team po ng region office are also here. They're having some deeper investigation upon the problem. They are having rectal swabbing and obtaining the specimens. And we are, as of right now, we are more than enough. The staff are more than enough to sustain and to augment po kung sa situation pa.
Opo, hindi ko pa alam kung masasagot niyo yung katanungan ko, pero may possibility po kaya na may mga ma-food poison pa na dumating sa inyo at yung mga candy na ito ay nasa labas pa po at hindi pa nakukuha lahat, Ginoong Ross?
As far as I know po, may freeze order po yata from the manufacturer, ordered by Mayor Duterte. I cannot confirm, sir. However, what I can only say to you is naka-standby, still on code white rin po yung hospital namin. Lahat ng staff namin are being told to standby. Walang pwedeng lumabas ng Surigao del Sur at saka walang pwedeng mag-leave or whatever po.
Okay. Sige po, Ginoong Carlos, maraming salamat sa inyong oras.
Okay po.
Si Carlos, Public Information Officer ng Adela Cera Medical Center sa Surigao del Sur.